YouTube channel here, and today we're going to do a firing test on the Daisy buckshot. And we're going to be shooting soda cans, and we're going to show you the amount of power that this gun actually has.
And we're going to have a challenge, and whoever wins, just wins. So that soda can, the Dr. Pepper over there, is the target. So the rules is we all take a shot, and whoever hits 5 shots first wins the game. So here we go. Elton had a challenge and I won 5-4, so that was good, and I'm the winner. So now we're just gonna shoot one for fun in slow motion.